I wouldn't recommend buying an old car from Facebook Marketplace, especially if you have limited car or mechanical skills, and if you're not going to get the car at least checked out before by a garage or professional. However, where's the fun in doing all of that? Just because a car is road legal, it doesn't mean it will drive or actually perform very well. So over the course of restoring the car, that was always a thought in the back of my mind, if it was even going to work as I wanted it to. However, having used it as my kind of daily get-around car and taken it on multiple little adventures here and there, this car's got a lot of life left in it.
You got the ways to numbing the pain. Don't start running away from here. Stop running away from fear. 'Cause you got a heart that's stone, lips of gold. I guess I'm sold. What do I know? What do I know? I can't seem to reach my mind. Memories lost behind. Lost without you. Things we used to do. I can't seem to reach my mind. I'm stuck in line with a dream. It's a lie. I'm lost without you. The things we used to do. Cause you're like the white team, but love so me. You let me free. Was I not? Keep thinking too much. I guess I was stuck. You got a heart of stone, but lips of gold. I guess I'm sold. What do you want from me? What do you want? But I can't seem to reach my mind. Memories lost behind. Lost without you. The things we used to do. But I can't seem to reach. Lost without you. The things we used to do. Stuck in my head, well I'm a daydreamer. Stuck in fast, silent schemer. Stuck in my head, well I'm a daydreamer. Stuck in fast, silent schemer.
However, sadly for me, I won't be the one taking it on its next adventure. His plans have changed, and we will be sadly having to part ways, for now. So, I return the discovery to where I first set eyes on it, the wonderful, complex world of Facebook Marketplace, where I have found a suitable owner who will give the car the adventure sadly I could not. So with a shake of a hand, along with some other legal nonsense, until next time, we'll catch you later. Or until I see another neglected car in need of a new adventure.